everyone, Sam Sheffer here with The Verge at CES 2015. I'm back with yet another rideable. These are the rocket skates, and this is literally the first time I'm riding them.
And is class leading in its MPGE.
Are they on? The way it works is one of these is like the dominant skate, so you put that foot in front and you sort of just push off with your back foot and lean a little bit, and they propel you. These are very difficult to ride. Oh, it took me probably 25 to 30 solid straight minutes of doing everything I possibly could to get these to work. So the subtlety of pointing your toes down is like everything that it is to ride this thing, where you sort of just let the motors take you. So the back wheel not only provides stability, but it also acts as a brake. Each skate weighs 7 pounds, and when they're on your feet, it is very tiring at first, especially because, you know, you sort of do like a lot of panic running when I'm first learning to ride. But once you pick it up, these skates propel you and you can go 12 miles an hour on expert mode. And we tried out the R6 model, which has a range of 6 miles, cleverly named. This costs $4.99 and they're shipping now. And there's also the R8 and R10, also based on how much range they get. And those are $5.99 and $6.99 respectively. So these are the rocket skates. They're awesome, really hard to ride, but they're awesome.
Push the button to turn the rocket skates on. To get going, kick off, and once you start rolling, the 4 powerful brushless hub motors engage, propelling you to infinity and beyond. To accelerate, you tilt forward. To slow down and brake, you put your heel down. But don't lean back. It takes a little bit of practice. But just remember what it was like to learn how to ride a bike or rollerblade. Just stick with it and you'll get it. And the great thing is, you don't even need a remote. Imagine cruising down the boulevard, wind in your face, listening to your favorite tunes. You're on your way to pick up a cup of coffee or get around a college campus. The best part is you can wear them in or put them in your backpack. The app connects you to other skaters and play interactive games. You can also track your routes and compare your mileage to other rocket skaters. And for you developers who want to develop your own games for the skates, we have an open SDK pledge level for you.